After the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, the company is now reportedly rolling out the new Android 15 update to the Edge 50 Neo. The update improves the user interface with smoother graphics and animations, refined notifications, and much more. However, some users who have installed the update complain about Android Auto causing issues. As per the update page screenshot shared on Reddit, the Android 15 update to Motorola Edge 50 Neo weighs around 1.63 gigabytes. It is also said to include the December Android security patch. This firmware version is the most up-to-date. The changelog section mentions Android 15 will bring smoother graphics, faster app performance, and the ability to switch between languages easily. The update will push out notification alerts during screen recording. The image also notes the update process is secure and no personal information will be lost. However, it is always a good idea to back up the data before installing updates. On the flip side, the comments to the same Reddit post report that Android Auto is causing issues after the update. It is said that while the phone gets connected, the screen is apparently getting updated every few minutes, making it unusable. One user reports that the camera lag is still present even after the Android 15 update, while one comment notes the battery is depleting slightly faster than usual. How widespread are these issues is not clear at the moment, since some users are claiming on Reddit that they haven't witnessed any major issues so far. Issues like battery drain usually stabilize after a few days of installing the update. The Motorola Edge 50 Neo Android 15 update is reportedly rolling out in India at the moment and should be made available in other regions where it's available shortly. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.